Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel. Here I am with you again with a live case study of KP Horari astrology. I received a query from one of my viewer that will I get government job or should I go for business. So this was the query. Now KP rule for the query is if 10th sublord anyhow signifies or connected with 2nd house, 6th house, 10th house, 11th house and is influenced by Jupiter or Sun or Moon, then the person will get government job in DBA, Dasha Bhukti Antara of 2nd house, 6th house, 10th house and or 11th house significators. So this is the basic KP rule for getting a government job. Now the judgment time was 16th of October 2016. Time was 14:23 hours at the place Ludhiana. The divine number was given to me 7. Ruling planets at the time of judgment were ascendant star lord Moon, ascendant sign lord Saturn. Because Ketu was in Saturn sign, so Ketu will also be considered as one of our ruling planet. Moon star lord again Ketu, moon sign lord Mars, day lord Sun. Because Rahu is in Sun sign, so Rahu will also be considered as one of our ruling planet. Now let us check the mind of the querent. Let us check the genuineness of the query. As you can see here, as always I have told in my previous videos that mind is always to be checked with moon. So here you can see moon. Moon is the occupant of 12th house, 12th house of worry, 12th house of fear. So it is but natural that querent is a little bit worried. Further, moon is lord of the 5th house, 5th house of risk, 5th house of speculation. Further, you can see moon is in star of Ketu, Ketu occupying 11th house, 11th house of gains, 11th house of income. Further, sublord is Venus. Venus is indicating 7th house, 7th house of business and 2nd house of money, finance. So the query is absolutely genuine. The person is thinking about money, person is thinking about business, person is thinking about his income and a little bit worried too. So let us check the 10th cusp sublord regarding to this query. As you can see here that the 10th cusp sublord is Ketu. So what Ketu is signifying here, let us see. Now Ketu is occupant of 11th house, which means gains, which means income. Ketu is in Saturn sign. Saturn is occupant of 8th house, 8th house of some delay, 8th house of some obstacles and also 8th house is also known for partner's money. So this means that person will borrow or lend some money from his partner. Further, Saturn is lord of 11th house. 11th house again gains fulfillment of desire. Saturn is lord of 12th house, which means investments. Ketu star lord is Rahu. Rahu is occupant of 5th house. 5th house is detrimental to the house of job. 5th house negates the job. So no question of government job. Further, sublord is Venus. Venus is occupying 7th house, 7th house of business and 2nd house of money and finance. And you can see nowhere is Ketu influenced by any of the planet Jupiter, Sun or Moon. So hence no chance for government job. So rather this person will go for business. This is a clear and sure short answer. Let us cross verify the same with 2nd house, 11th house and 7th house. So let us first see here you can see the 2nd cusp sublord is Venus and 11th cusp sublord is also Venus. And 7th cusp sublord is Rahu. So let us check Venus and Rahu. Here you can see Venus is occupant of 7th house, 7th house of business. Further, lord of 2nd house, 2nd house of money and finance. Venus is in star of Saturn. Again 8th house of some delay, some obstacles, partner's money. 11th house of gains, income, fulfillment of desire. 12th house of investments. Further, Venus is in sub of Saturn. The same will repeat again. Let us see Rahu. Rahu is the occupant of 5th house. So 5th house negates the job. Rahu is in Rashi of Sun. Rashi of Sun means Sun is the occupant and owner of 6th house, which means borrowing money or taking loan for business. Rahu is aspected by Saturn. Again 8th, 11th and 12th house are involved. Further, Rahu is in star of Venus. Venus is occupant of 7th house of business, 2nd house, money is involved. Rahu is in sub of Moon. Moon indicating 12th house of investments and 5th house, which negates the job. So even after cross verifying the same with other supportive houses, the result is that the person will not get government job. He will do his own business with the help of loan or borrowing money from his partner. So this was the final outcome. Now let us see when is the good time to start the business. Let us see the chart again. Here we can see, to find out the timing of the event, we have to check the significators of 2nd house, 6th house, 10th house and 11th house. Here you can see the 2nd house significators are Mars, Rahu and Venus. 6th house significators are Saturn, Jupiter, Mercury and Sun. 10th house significator is Jupiter, and 11th house significators are Moon, Ketu, Venus and Saturn. Now here you can see the Vinchotri Dasha. The current dasha is running of Ketu, and yes, Ketu is one of our significator of 11th house and also presented in RP. So Ketu is favorable for doing business. The antra of further is the antra of Venus. Hence Venus is signifying 11th house. Venus is significator of 11th house and second house, but Venus is not presented in our RP. So Venus dasha will not let the person do his business, and Venus will run up to 9th of April 2017. The next bhukti is of Sun. Sun is obviously one of our RP and also presented as a house significator of 6th. So Sun is favorable for doing business. Sun is also favorable for getting loans. So as per my reading, this person will do his business after 9th April 2017, which is the favorable time for doing the same. Now let us check this query with birth chart also. As this is the horary chart which I have erected, let us check the same with birth chart also. So here is the birth chart in front of you. The birth time was given 1st August 1985, 3:55 hours, and place is Mohali, Punjab. And here is the birth chart in front of you. Let us see the 10th cusp sublord in birth chart also. Here you can see 10th cusp sublord is Venus. Is Venus presented in our RP? No, Venus is not presented in our ruling planets. What does that mean? This means that the birth time is off the mark with few minutes. Now what to do? No need to rectify the birth chart here, because there is a rule: when sublord is not presented in RP, then you can use the previous or later sublord. Now the previous sublord is Ketu. Yes, Ketu is presented in our RP and it is the strongest significator in ruling planets table. So we will take Ketu. Now let us see what Ketu indicates. So these are the KP significator tables of birth chart. Here you can see Ketu. Ketu is occupant of 5th house, which negates the job. Ketu is in star of Jupiter. Jupiter is indicating 8th house, partner's money, 7th house of business, 10th house of profession. Further, Ketu is in sub of Jupiter again. The same will be repeated. Ketu is in signifying 12th house again with Rashi Lord. So 12th house of investments and 5th house negating the job. Again the conjunction of Ketu signifying 5th house, 8th house and 9th house. So 5th house again here, which negates the job. 8th house shows partner's money. 9th house, now 9th house is showing the communication. 9th house is also indicating the change of line, the change of profession. Further, Ketu is indicating 1st house 6th house and 11th house with the aspect. Now first house is of self efforts, 6th house again borrowing money. Obviously 6th house indicates job also, but the 5th house is repetitively come into the picture, so it negates the 6th house of job. So here we can consider 6th house as taking the loan. 11th house of desires, 11th house of gain. So even in birth chart it is clearly indicating that this person will not fit for job and he will surely do his own business. So this is the final outcome and which have been told to this person, and a beautiful example of KP Horary astrology. Those who are learning can learn very much from this videos. Later on we'll discuss more and more live case studies. Till then, good luck and thank you for watching.